Good morning, doctors. Welcome to NEETPG 2022 crash course of Koncpt, and I am Dr. Vishnupriya Niranjan, the faculty in gynecology. I am here to share a few preparation strategies on how to prepare for the forthcoming NEETPG examination. Dear aspirants, we all know that an entrance examination in India like NEET-PG, even super speciality or UG, demands a lot of tremendous effort from our side, a lot of hard work, and sometimes a stressful preparation from our side. And every year the competition is also on the increasing trend, and we all know that. But it is very essential that we have a confident and a stressful preparation, and here I am there to give a few suggestions on how to have a stress-free and a confident preparation. So first of all, aspirants, it is essential that we incorporate certain general rules or strategies into us to help us keep going and be confident. They are nothing but, while reading, be it for any entrance examination, like take an exam like NEET, UG or PG or super speciality, it is very essential to develop the habit of daily reading. Take as many MCQs as possible, take as many tests as possible, because taking MCQs and taking tests will help us catch the mindset of the examiner. The habit of daily reading develops a strong memory, because in entrance examinations like NEET, especially in India, a stronger memory is what is more tested, to say. And revision is the key factor. Revise as much as possible. Towards the end of the exam, the reading should be focused more on revising the high-yield important areas and the areas which have been already covered and not on the new things. And always put a timetable and strictly stick to the timetable, and be focused and mindful on the time which you spend in reading a particular subject and in reading a particular area. Tell to yourself or be mindful about how many hours you spend a day in reading a particular subject. It is always worthy to note the time and strictly sticking to your timetable. And along with all these things, very important is the faithfulness and the perseverance with which you work hard. Never give up. Always think the best or the better is yet to come. And always stay positive and with a lot of self-motivation. So these are the general strategies, like reading daily, doing MCQs, taking a lot of tests, strictly sticking to the time and the timetable, and working with a lot of patience and faithfulness. Because entrance examinations are always not going to the success in the entrance examinations are not going to be in the first attempt for everyone. So it is going to be different for each and every one of us, but success is always sure and is always sure to come if there is hard work, because hard work never fails. And above all, the prayers to the Almighty and the faithfulness is in Him is what is more important. And always eat healthy food, and spend some time for like relaxing yourself, like talking with people who can motivate you, your friends and family, and if possible some yoga or meditation. And of course, while reading subjects, it is always essential to prepare smartly. So subject-wise strategies are there. Nothing but, like each and every subject, there are always some high-yield areas and repeats which are always asked again and again. Never get the repeats wrong. Getting the repeats right will help you keep in the competition, and always have your basics strong. If your basics are strong, you will be in the competition, and the basic subjects are going to be the rank deciding ones, as we all know. Like for NEET-PG it is concerned, it could be like anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. So each and every subject has got some high-yield areas or important topics which should be always emphasized and revised a lot of times. So repeats form an important area, the basics form an important area. As far as gynecology is concerned, the basic pelvic anatomy, the physiology, like physiology of menstruation, ovulation, fertilization, the normal semen parameters, key topics like contraception and infertility are very important. And of course the core part, the gynec cancers are also very important. Definite questions will be there on staging and as well as the treatment part. So never miss questions which get repeated every year. So they form a very important part. And for each and every subject's concept, we'll be releasing videos for subject-wise strategies also. So do watch those videos and get benefit out of it, and learn the subject smartly. So towards the end of the preparation, it should be a smart preparation, and your preparation should be a well-revised preparation. Always focus on the high yield areas. So friends, keep trying, keep working hard, because hard work never fails, and success will definitely be yours. I wish all the best and all success for all the aspirants for the forthcoming NEET PG examination 2022. Thank you.